Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to compare the k and the h sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, the k and h sound are the back sounds. So to pronounce these two sounds, your back of your tongue should rise up, but when you say the k sound, back of your tongue presses up against soft palate, but to pronounce the h sound, back of your tongue rises up but doesn't touch the soft palate. And the second difference between these two sounds is the k sound is a hard sound, so your tongue should be tense and hard. But the h sound is a soft sound, so your tongue should be soft and relaxed. Another difference between these two sounds is the k sound is a stop sound, so you push the air out of your mouth very strongly and then you immediately cut off the sound. But the h sound is an aspirated sound, so you can prolong the sound like So when you say the words with the h sound, you have to prolong the sound a little bit. Now let's practice some words with the k and h sound. Có, khó, cô, khô, cổ, khổ, cả, khá, công, không, kéo, khéo, cắt, kính, cá, khô, khổ, cực, không có, cái khó, ló, cái khôn. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Cái khó, ló cái khôn. Khánh khổ nhưng không khóc. Khánh khổ nhưng không khóc. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.